Welcome to Beginner Learn English, the podcast where you learn real English through real conversations.
Today's episode is First Day at Work. Jason starts his new job and things don't go exactly as planned. Let's see what he learns and how you can learn with him.
This is it. New job, new city, new office. Why do elevators always feel more intense on your first day?
Relax, take a deep breath. No one bites. On day one.
Easy for you to say. You already know everyone here.
Maybe, but even I was the new guy once. You'll be fine.
I wish they gave out scripts for first impressions.
You're in luck. Today's script is called Just Be Yourself.
Hi, I'm Jason. I just joined today. This is the marketing department, right?
Yep, you're in the right place. Welcome aboard.
Thanks. Sorry, I'm still figuring out where everything is.
No worries. First days are always confusing. I'm Emma, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Likewise. So, what's your role?
I'm a digital marketing associate, mostly campaign analytics and social media.
Nice. I handle content side. Blogs, newsletters, all that fun stuff.
Ah, then we'll probably be working together a lot.
Looks like it. Do you want me to show you around?
That would be amazing, honestly. I already got lost looking for the restroom.
Classic rookie move. Come on, I'll give you the tour.
Lead the way.
So this is the break room. Coffee machine is temperamental. Don't trust it on Mondays.
Noted. Mondays equal bring my own coffee.
Exactly. This side is HR, and over there is your boss's office, Mr. Carter.
Ah, the boss. Should I be scared?
Only if you're late to meetings. He hates that.
I'll set 10 alarms.
Smart move.
So, how was the boss?
Not as scary as I thought.
Told you. You did great.
Thanks. I'm just trying to remember names, faces, and not spill my coffee.
That's the real survival guide.
Honestly, though, is it normal to feel overwhelmed?
Totally. I was a mess on my first day. Spilled water on my laptop.
No way.
They still tease me about it.
I guess as long as I don't break anything, I'm winning?
Exactly. And hey, if you ever need help with anything, just ask.
Thanks, Emma. You've made this first day way easier.
Happy to help. That's what teammates are for.
Okay, one last question.
Go ahead.
Where do they keep the good snacks?
Top drawer. Far right cabinet. Secret code. Don't tell HR.
Got it. I'll guard the secret with my life.
All right, listeners, let's go over some important phrases from today's episode.
Try using one of these phrases today, even if you're not starting a new job. These are useful in everyday English, too.
That was First Day at Work, Episode 2 of Beginner Learn English.
We hope you enjoyed learning English in a real conversation with real people.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.
Next episode, at the doctor's office. Want to explain symptoms in English without sounding confused? We've got you.
See you next time.
See you next time.